Hi, my name is Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Peugeot 308 SW in the GT line specification. So this car comes with full LED headlights. You get 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got this lovely half leather interior. The front seats have massage function. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, speed limit recognition, and the car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. The car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine, it gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, has 2 previous owners and has done 48,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.